one sidebar at the right side. I want to have one sidebar at the left side. Now, obviously, if I want to have one more sidebar here, that is not possible because this is taking away 9 columns and this take away 3. So total 12 columns are done. So how do I divide now? How should I adjust so that I can have one more sidebar at the left side? To this, I have given 3. To this, I'll make it 6. Here before this, I can have one more sidebar. To this, I'm giving 6. Now I'll save this here. So now see here, I'm having one sidebar here, one at the right side. What I want to do, I want to give only 2 parts to my sidebar. So now what should I give to this now? Call it. This structure is looking good in the laptop. But now if I open this in mobile, is it looking good now? No, right? This structure should only be in, let's say, large screen. If it is more than 992, only then I want this structure. Let me remove that padding. Now it is coming here. So now what do I want? If we come less than large screen, I want this sidebar to take the entire width and I want this subheading to come next and I want this sidebar to take the entire screen. Here I'll do call 12. Here I'll do call 12 and then to this also I'll do call 12. I'll save this. This is what we wanted.